What is that? Wait for Nami. Wait for Nami. There's a letter. You read it. You read the letter. Lakasan mo tayo, hindi ma... Para marinig ni Nami.
Is Santa come here today?
Read it loud.
Hi, Yuna and Nami. Nice to meet you. Santa sent me to watch over you two before Christmas to see.
Uy, listen to Ate Nam.
Stop! If you have been naughty or nice, every night I will go back to the North Pole to report to Santa. You must never touch me or I will lose my magic. Here's a little gift from the Santa. Love, your elf, Lily.
Oh, alam niya. Lily. Lily.
Don't do some stupid stuff when my mom see you, then you'll be grounded in this house.
Oy, huwag mo siya aawayin. Sasabihin niya kay Santa na inaway mo siya. Be kind, okay? You just open one. Yung number 1 kasi day 1 ngayon, 'di ba? Where's the day 1? And remember to always share.
Okay. Leather.
Ubo-ubo na yung mga baby ko. Today is a day for what?
For Christmas.
Christmas starts today.
Yeah.
Sa birthday ni Ma'am.
Binati niya na ba si Mami?
Yeah.
Kinis niya na si Mami.
Ay, di pa yun. Naku po, ay, di pa. Sarap. Thank you, babies.
Kanay kunti baka makasuga.
Ano
Ano yung bigay niya, ano? Si Elf ba may bigay niya?
Dinala ni Elf. Asan yung 1? 1 lang. 1 a day lang yan kasi ano, December 1. Where's the number 1?
4.
Ah, ito, 1. Ito. 1.
Number 1. Food. What's that?
Ay.
Chocolate.
Ooh.